I'm a duckling.
Are you sure? Was your mother a duck?
Yes.
Well, she must have been sick as a parrot when she saw you.
Oh, Lola, that's terribly good.
Thank you, dear. I don't believe I've ever seen such an ugly duckling.
What are you doing in your house?
I was sheltering from the cold. I saw the door was left open. I didn't think it would hurt to step inside.
Not hurt? Not hurt? Well, let me just tell you. Those marching left in the car to drive the old woman to grab the carpet brush. And we can't bear the smell of that stuff, can we, dear?
Steady, Queenie, don't upset yourself. He's obviously going through the mold. Hormones running hot, irrational behavior, mood swings.
What of it?
I don't think I like your tone, young poultry, my lad. And mind that! We work in the antimacassar next.
What's an antimacassar?
I don't know. But it obviously works. There hasn't been a macassar in the house for as long as I can remember.
Oh, Queenie, that's terribly good.
You are a funny cat. Thank you, dear.
Cat? Are you a cat?
Of course, I'm a cat.
So are you gonna eat me?
Ugh, don't be disgusting. Better thought. I've never been into the bird butcher business. Couldn't be doing it with all those feathers. It's like eating a meal and flossing your teeth at the same time. Ugh, no. The old woman pushes me a fresh fish. Brown.
The old woman is a person. Doesn't she hurt you? And you're a chicken. Why are you stuck indoors? Don't you prefer it out in the yard?
You must be crazy. All that scratching and scraping. I live on the couch, thank you very much. Queenie and I are domesticated, you see. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but
And sometimes I will arch my back and let sparks fly from my fur.
Then we sit and chat. And sit and chat. And sometimes I will lay an egg.
And is that it?
What else is there for civilized folk to do? What do you do?
Well, my absolute favorite thing is to go swimming. It feels awesome when you have your arm, when you have your head plugged right down to the bottom.
Lola knows all about plunging down at the bottom, don't you, dear?
Come on, I'll show you.
Swimming in the autumn. I've never heard of such a crazy notion.
Well, you could use the exercise, dear. Think of your thigh meat. She's got drumsticks like a ostrich.
Well, you haven't exactly been a slave to your step aerobics. It's as much as you can do to get your flap open.
Gracious, Lowbutt! You're missing your TV program. Chop Chop. She loves watching your TV show.
Oh, where's the remote?
You're sitting on it.
6 months on and still no sighting of the duckling, who, as you may remember from the photograph released at that time, has what can best be described as a rather unforgettable appearance. Now, our experts believe that he may already have undergone some certain changes and have put together a composite of what they believe he might look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
I'm sure he's still out there. So if you see him, please call him.
Mama!
Yes, viewers, we're appealing to you if you have any information. The number is coming up on your screen now.
Is there something you'd like to tell us, dear?
Mama!
Did you worry home?
No,
Well, there's just one thing to do. I'll call from the kitchen.
Oh, no, the old woman.
She wouldn't ring her own doorbell. Come in.
Quack, quack. Oh, no, what are you doing here?
But I politely say,
Is that any way to greet your long-lost feather, father?
Your father? Ugliness certainly runs in the family.
He's not my father, don't listen to him.
He is overcome. Son, hug your daddy. Your mother and I have been worried sick.
Don't let him near me. Does he even look like a doctor?
Now, dear. Folk in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
He's a cat.
Children have no fun. I'm sorry this caused you any inconvenience, and I'm most grateful that you kept me on your feet. Come along, Ducky, take the nice poultry for me tonight, you.
He's a cat, I tell you. A sly treacherous double crossing. No good cannot be tomcat.
It's no good. The line's busy. Well, hello. Mercy, another duck. What's the matter? Haven't you got a pond to go to? Yeah.
Shouldn't you be getting back? You said his mother was sick with worry.
Meow! Meow!
I told you. A tomcat.
A tomcat?
Now, Queenie, don't get any funny ideas. We have an arrangement, don't forget. Oh, there will be tears before bedtime. Don't be